So a subscriber asked that I talk about Kojic acid. To be honest, I had to do my own personal research, okay, before I come and spill anything to you guys. Okay, so Kojic acid on dark skin. How can we dark skin people use Kojic acid? Can we even use Kojic acid? Should we be using Kojic acid? Hi guys, what's up and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Cherish and if you're seeing this face for the first time, you're absolutely welcome to my YouTube channel. I post everything dark skin related, okay? If that sounds like something you like to always see, feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay? And follow me on Instagram. I don't say this a lot. Please follow me on Instagram. It's Cherish Cogs, okay? Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere it's just Cherish Cogs, okay? Now, what is kojic acid? Kojic acid is actually a skin lightening agent, so it can be used to inhibit melanin, delay melanin production, reduce your melanin, all those kind of stuff. And we have melanin, so should we be using kojic acid? As dark skin people, hyperpigmentation, melasma, all these kind of things, dark under eyes, some kind of things are really particular to us, our melanin. So how can we use kojic acid? So since I said kojic acid inhibits melanin, we can use kojic acid, okay? Yes, we can actually use kojic acid, but we need to be cautious when using kojic acid because it can destroy our melanin. So kojic acid is found in like several products, but the most popular product is this Kojic soap that people have been raving about. It kills their dark spots and everything. So if you have anything like hyperpigmentation, melasma, all this kind of stuff, you can actually use what? Kojic acid. If you want to reduce dark elbows, your dark knee, dark armpits, like where like you have more hyperpigmentation, you can also use that. If you want to like treat hyperpigmentation, like some people have, I also have, but it's not like so this in my jaw, on this side of my face, I have like hyperpigmentation. So if you have a place that you love to reduce how dark that place is, you can actually want to use kojic acid, okay? But I don't think that you should just go and purchase kojic acid just like that. Make sure you see your dermatologist, make sure you are cautious, make sure you are intentional about using kojic acid, okay? So if you want to really use kojic acid, here are some tips that you should follow. These are like just few things that you can actually follow if you want to use kojic acid on your dark skin. The first one is consult a dermatologist. See a dermatologist, make sure they recommend it, okay, before you actually start using kojic acid. You may be having like something else and be treating it with kojic acid. Make sure it is not like something extreme. Another tip is that you should use sunscreen. Even if you are using like this kind of product, still use sunscreen. The third tip is that you should do a patch test, okay? If you want me to show you how to do a patch test, I wanted to like really dramatize now, so well, I think I'll make a whole video for that, okay? Do a patch test before like introducing kojic acid into your skincare routine, okay? You can do a patch test at the back of your, so that you will not like, if you don't do a patch test before using some product, you might react and it might not be like really nice. So you can do a patch test back of your hand, inside your elbow, then just put the product and like apply some, use like a tape and see if you have any reactions, something like for 48 hours, okay? I'm just like trying to speed it up, okay? Now, although our skin melanin has a broad spectrum of like melanin and sun protection from the UV rays, but still use sunscreen when you introduce like a new product into your routine. I've said, okay, this one, apply it gradually, like gradual application. Don't just one day pick it and it will destroy you, and please don't. I said it in this video, okay? Gradual. Monitor the side effects. Another tip is that you should monitor the side effects when you introduce this into your skincare routine. Monitor how it makes you feel, how your skin, okay, like reacts to it. So, and if you feel like, okay, there's any sign of irritation or anything, discontinue, stop using it, okay? And the last tip is that you should look for alternatives. There are several alternatives to kojic acid. There is vitamin C. There are a lot of other skin brightening agents apart from kojic acid, okay? So like, I feel like you should use kojic acid when you have tried every other thing and it did not work. Kojic acid is really strong and it will help you. Okay, and on this note, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.